Hey, you don't have to wait till Friday to shake things up, that's for sure. Here's Team Cocktail to help us say cheers to National Espresso Martini Day, one of my favorites.
Happy National Espresso Day! I'm very excited today because it combines two of my favorite things, coffee and vodka. So let's get started. Today we are going to make an espresso martini. So you're gonna wanna have your martini glass. I always suggest filling it with ice and cold water so that it's chilling while you're making the martini. So for an espresso martini, you're gonna have a shaker with some ice in the shaker, and then we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of vodka. Whatever vodka you prefer. I chose 360 because at Team Cocktail, we like to support local, and as we say, travel global, drink local. So we're gonna drink local today with some 360 vodka. So we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of vodka right in the shaker over ice. And then we're gonna do 2/3 of an ounce of coffee liqueur Kahlua. So 2/3, that goes straight over the ice as well. And then finally, the star of the day, right? Our espresso. So I prefer fresh brewed espresso. If you're an espresso drinker, I'm sure you've got an espresso maker at home. You can also buy it pre-made. I just think that the freshly brewed tastes the best. So you're gonna do 1 ounce of espresso. Combine that all in the shaker. And that's over ice. All right, now we're gonna shake it up. So you're gonna shake this till it's nice and cold and you can see the condensation and it's starting to get frothy there. Okay. Now you're gonna empty out your martini glass. And now that's nice and chilled. You're gonna take your strainer over your cocktail here, and you're gonna pour that right. Look at how nice and frothy that is. Delicious. All right, and then all you have to do, if you want to garnish, just add a few coffee beans on top, and you have a beautiful espresso martini.